Here we go. This is your project for Unit 2. This is a career reflection project. Your guidelines are right here. This is the page actually. So when you're watching this video, this is going to be the next page in the document, and there's going to be a link here for this video so you can watch it again if you want. This video assignment will have a quiz to it. This one's going to be 2 whole questions, so pay close attention. Career reflection project worth 120 points. Okay, this project is going to ask you to reflect deeply on the career sectors you studied, like healthcare, skilled trades, manufacturing, technology and IT, and business and logistics, and explore how these relate to your own strengths, values, and goals. The focus is on what fits you personally and what steps you need to take. So there are 4 parts to this. The first part is a personal career reflection short essay. 45 points for this part, a 6-sentence essay addressing these points. Which career sector interests you? What personal strengths, experiences, or skills make you a good fit? What concerns or challenges do you foresee? How does this career align with your values and future goals? And what will you need to learn to improve to be successful? So you're going to choose a career and you're going to write about it. And it's going to look like this. It is not going to be 6 answers with 6 sentences. It is going to be a reflective essay, like a big paragraph, right? Very short essay. So it needs to look like this. All right. Next, you're going to do a skills and interests inventory. So you're going to create a table that looks something like this. You can have grids. You can do it this way. All right. But in a Google Doc, you're going to list your top 5 personal skills, technical or soft skills. Remember, you've talked about all this stuff up to this point. You're going to list, show your 3 main interests or passions and how these relate to your chosen sector, and at least 2 skills or growth areas that you want to improve for your career goal. So for instance, here's your skill interest and then your growth area and how it fits your career. Okay, so you can kind of see how that works. Here's your interests and why you chose them. Does that make sense? Super cool. Part 3, career and pathway research and summary. 30 points. So pick 2 specific jobs in your chosen sector that interest you. Much like we did the healthcare, just a little shorter. You're gonna answer these 4 questions about them, and you can do it in a paragraph form, or you can even do it in a chart form. I've given you a paragraph form here as an example, but you can make a chart. Just reach out to your teacher and see what they say. And then finally, part 4, the next steps action plan. Create a clear and realistic plan answering these questions right here. And then, for example, it's going to look like this. So at the end, you're going to submit your entire project as a single document and in your own words. So don't copy, don't use AI. This needs to be about you. So your teacher needs to hear your voice. They want to know what you think, not what something else or someone else thinks. Be thoughtful and honest, and then reflect on these things here. This is your grading rubric. Got it? All right. Get ready to rock and roll on this. You've got this.